In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Typeform. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have something truly exciting to explore together, creating polls. Now, polls are a fantastic way to engage with your audience, gather feedback, or simply make decisions based on collective preferences. And what better platform to use than Typeform, known for its user-friendly interface and visually appealing forms. So let's get right to it. First things first, head over to the Typeform website. It's a simple start, just open your browser and type in their web address. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage in all its glory. Upon arriving at the Typeform homepage, you'll be prompted to log in. Now, they've made it super easy to get started by allowing users to log in with various methods. But for simplicity and speed, click on Continue with Google. This is perfect for those of us who are all about streamlining our online experiences. After clicking Continue with Google, you might need to wait a couple of minutes. This is totally normal. Sometimes things on the web take a bit longer than expected, and that's okay. It's a good opportunity to remind ourselves that a little patience goes a long way, especially in the digital world. Now, once you're logged in, it's time to dive into the creative part. You'll want to navigate to your form. There could be a list if you've been busy creating various forms, but find the one you wish to add a poll to. From there, it's all about adding the content that will transform your form into an engaging poll. Once you're in your form's editor mode, look for the Add Content button. It might seem like a small step, but it's your gateway to creating something engaging. Clicking this button opens up a world of possibilities, but we're here on a mission to create a poll. So, after clicking Add Content, select Multiple Choice from the options available. This is where the magic begins. Multiple choice questions are the backbone of any good poll, providing clear options for your respondents to choose from. With the multiple choice option selected, it's time to craft your question. This is your chance to ask anything that's been on your mind, or perhaps something relevant to your audience. Be clear and concise to ensure that your respondents understand what you're asking. After typing in your question, it's time to input the choices you're giving to your audience. Click on the choice box and type in the first option. This could be anything from yes or no to more complex specific options related to your question. But we're not done yet. After you've entered your first choice, click on Add Choice to include more options. The beauty of Typeform is that it allows you to add several options, making it versatile for all kinds of polls. Repeat this step until all your desired choices are listed. Remember, providing a range of options can often give you more insightful responses. With your question and choices laid out, you're almost there. But what's a poll without actually putting it out into the world? That's right, you need to publish it. Look for the Publish button once you're satisfied with your poll. This is the moment where your poll goes from a concept to reality, available for your audience to interact with, and just like that, you've created a poll on Typeform. It's amazing how a few simple steps can lead to such powerful engagement tools. Remember, the key to a successful poll is asking questions that resonate with your audience and providing them with clear, concise choices. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Once your poll is live, share it across your platforms to get as much feedback as possible. The more, the merrier, right? That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel inspired to start creating your own polls on Typeform. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time,